Alright folks, I had my GTI Edition 35 in at the Volkswagen dealer recently for its 52,000 mile service. So they changed the oil filter, the oil, the pollen filter, and they were going to do the air filter as well, but I've got a performance panel filter on it, so no need for that. So I told them don't bother with that. So they sent me a video while they still had the car showing me an exhaust clamp on the car that was badly needing swapped out. So here's the two clamps and the joining piece. So I bought a new one, which is exactly like this. Big difference there. Oops. I'm guessing this is the original stock from 2012 when the car was built. So while I was under here fitting the new one, which I already fitted, hand lamp would be handy. That was a breeze to do. I then glanced round and seen, whoa, that was a good sliding manoeuvre there. I seen this next one up was leaking as well, and it was quite badly corroded like the others. Not just as bad, but almost as bad. So I then put two new clamps around that, but as you can see by the black soot, it's not sealing. So I then had to buy the other one I've just shown you. So I'm about to tackle that just now. Right, that's me got that off. So time to fire this new one on, the proper kind. But what I'm going to do is run it while it's off and let you hear how bloody awesome this sounds. Well, that's me good to go. That's the second one on. It's just 13mm socket to tighten them up, and to take off this little beam here. Oops, lost the light. Again, 13mm. Take them four nuts off. Take the little beam that's going across off. Don't forget to put it back on the right way. So that was quite straightforward. The hardest bit about this for me to comprehend with, £22 for that clamp. It's like a sleeve with two big Jubilee clips basically. Let's give that a try. Back to going old normal. Something I forgot to mention is these, which are hydraulic car ramps. You can get them as cheap as £40 just now online. I'm not right on them actually. I just took it up enough for me to get under. Take care, cheers.